Well, our top story, political activity has reached a fever pitch in Uttarakhand with less than 24 hours to go before the fate of the Harish Rawat government is decided in the State Assembly. While Rawat has been asked by the governor to prove his government's majority in the Assembly, several rebel Congress MLAs have approached the Speaker in the Assembly asking for more time to answer to a show cause notice as to why they shouldn't be disqualified. Speaking at a press conference just a short while back, the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand said that the centre's thought of imposing President's rule in Uttarakhand is in fact a murder of democracy.
बहुत लंबे अंतराल के बाद ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि कोई शासक दल अहंकार में चूर होकर एक छोटे से सीमांत राज्य को धमका रहा है और राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू करने की निरंतर धमकी दे रहा है। आप धन बल से राज्य की राजनीति का अपहरण करें, ये स्वीकार्य नहीं हो सकता है और हम इसका जनता के बीच में जाकर के बीफिटिंग रिप्लाई देंगे।
And in fact, a day to go for the floor test, and it's an all-out war between the BJP and the Congress. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has, in fact, said that there has been no greater subversion of constitution in Uttarakhand. Leadership which is not merit-based is clearly reflected in a state of affairs of the Congress. Everything that can go wrong with the constitutional functioning has happened in Uttarakhand. It's a textbook example of breakdown of governance.